Namaskar, I'm Dr. Nutan Pakre. Welcome to my masterclass on Indian Sciences of Wellbeing. Today I will be talking on Pranayama practice. In this masterclass, we have included Pranayama practice and philosophy class together. Pranayama is the process of being aware of prana. Prana is our life force, and to channelize this force, we need to control or regulate our breathing pattern. Breath is the link between your body and sense organ, and that's why pranayama practice comes after asana but before pratyahara practices. As per yogic scripture, pranayama gives you lot of benefits, but if it's done incorrect way, it gives you lots of diseases. Some of the benefits of pranayama are: it improves your respiratory tract function, it removes the toxins from your respiratory tract, it improves your blood circulation and prevents from many cardiovascular diseases. It helps to maintain the function of your vital organs such as your heart, liver, kidney and brain. It improves your focus and attention span. It improves your mental health as well as your emotional health. Last but not least, it gives you long lasting health and youthfulness.